Hey everybody, this is Royce here with Gates 3 Designs, and I am back with another episode. Today we're here with Revit 2020, and I'm going to show you how to create a custom line weight. If you're doing something specific and you just want a certain line weight to show, a projected geometry within your model, and in this case we're going to do a 2x6 stud, but we're back with the long cabin project, which you can find at gates3designs.net, and you can go there and download this file if you would like to. But let's go ahead and go to level 1. So in level 1, I'm looking down here, and let's just turn on our line weights here so we can see the line weights in full effect. If you just type in TL command, you'll get your line weights shown. So you see we got some thick lines there, and depending on where this is cut, you will or will not see a top plate. So if I'm just looking at this here, as a builder or as a designer, I feel like I'm looking at a top plate. This continuous voided space almost looks like just a top plate, right? And it's not, because let's see, if you click Command VR, our top cut plane is at 7'6", and I believe this is at 12 foot. I'm sure. Let's just double check. Yeah, top plate is at 12 foot. So 7'6", is within here, like somewhere. So you're not going to see a top plate. You're going to see 2x6s. So let's go back here. So I want to show some 2x6 within the floor plan. And let's just do it a simple way. I want to draw the lines in. But I want to create my specific line weights for 2x6 studs. So let me show you guys how to do that. Okay, so when it comes to creating anything like custom or specific, you're typically going to find that in the Manage tab, and you can manipulate some materials and do things like that. But in the Manage tab, under Additional Settings, just go ahead and click that, and where you see Line Styles, click Line Styles, and down at Modify Subcategories, you're going to go ahead and select New. And let's see, so specifically we're doing 2x6 studs, right? So let's just put in 2x6 stud. Okay, subcategory of lines, click OK. You're going to assign a line weight here, and 1 is very thin, and I think it should go up to 16. Okay, yeah, I don't want it to be as thick as that line there. If you can see my cursor here, I don't want it to be that thick, and I'm not too sure how thick that is. Let's just go ahead and give it a 3. Okay, and just click OK, right? So if we go to detail lines, we have 2x6 in here now. Let's click the 2x6, and let's go ahead and draw our 2x6, which is a 1.5 by 5.5 inches. Okay, and we're just going to create that, and let's go ahead and group this together. Okay, and let's go ahead and place it where it belongs. Let's go ahead and just center. All right, I'm going to turn my line weights off for now. Bump that there so you see it fits perfect. And let's turn our line weights on. So we got our 2x6 there, and they're typically 24 inches on center. So let's go 2 feet, and let's just multiply here. 24 inches, 24 inches, and let's do one more. 24 inches. Okay, so now you have a description of, something to call out if you wanted to just design this to call something out. All right, so we have our studs in here now. Let's say I think 3 is a little too much. It's up to you pretty much, but let's just say we want to manipulate the 2x6 stud, right, that we created. And we want to manipulate that line weight. You just go back up into manage, go back here to additional settings, and go to line styles and hit this plus button. So you have your 2x6 stud up here. Let's change it to, let's just change it to 1. Whoops. Okay. And it cuts down there. And that's nice there. So so with the 1, you can go ahead and let's edit the group, and let's add our 2x6. Let's go ahead and add a X, because usually when you're cutting through something, specifically wood, you want to draw that little X in there like that, and that should change them all. There we go. So we got some studs in here now. So there you go. If you want to create custom lines, custom line weights, go up to manage, additional settings, and start creating some things. Specifically here we use 2x6 studs to create it. So so there you have it. Again, we use the long cabin project. Feel free to go to gates3designs.net, and you can download this drawing, and you can manipulate it however you want. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this informative, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Thanks.